Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I've got some super cool and easy tricks to turn your ordinary images into eye-catching masterpieces for social media or just for fun. And the best part, it's all free. So let's dive right in. Number 1, Leia Pics. First up, we have Leia Pics. Head over to Convert. First of all, upload your image. You've got an immersive depth animation. Adjust the sliders to tweak the animation, click Share, and choose your export format. It's that simple. Number 2, CapCut. Now, if you're into the trendy 3D zoom effect, check out CapCut. Download the app in mobile from Play Store. Upload your photos, select 3D Zoom or 3D Zoom Pro. Instantly transform your images into something eye-catching. Just check out. If you need prompts to generate mid-journey images, then comment below. I will share some prompts. Number 3, Artbreeder. Next, let's explore Artbreeder. This tool is fantastic for generating unique images. Join their Discord, use the Create command, describe the movement you want, upload your image, and hit Enter. Artbreeder does the rest, creating amazing visuals. Number 4, DID. Want a talking avatar? Go to the DID website, click here. Add your image, add your prompt, and you can see what's it look like. Number 5, Genmo. Genmo is a speedy way to add cool animations. Upload your image, use the chat feature to instruct it, and see the magic happen. Experiment with different styles and settings for unique results. Number 6, heyGen. Want to make a talking avatar? heyGen and Sad Talker on Hugging Face are great choices. Upload an image, add your script or audio, and let these tools create engaging talking characters. And there you have it, folks. Remember, the key is to start with good quality images for the best results. If you want specific prompts or have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Until next time, stay creative and have fun transforming your images. Thanks for watching.